Hello everyone, welcome back. So in the previous video, we have talked about IAM users, and in this video, we'll be talking about IAM groups and their characteristics, and also we'll be looking into the quotas of IAM resources and an example of how IAM group works. So let's go ahead and start. So coming to the IAM groups, in simple terms, it's nothing but an IAM user group is a collection of IAM users. So that is what the definition of IAM groups are, according to the docs. So now let's go ahead and check the characteristics of IAM groups. So coming to the first one, you can see a user group can contain many users, and a user can belong to multiple user groups. So that is the first characteristics as per the docs. And coming to the second one, user groups can't be nested. They can contain only users, not other user groups. So basically, the inability of these nested user groups ensures simplicity and avoids complex hierarchical structures. So it means that user groups serves as a container specifically for individual users, allowing for easy management of these user permissions and access controls without introducing an additional layer of complexity. So that is what the second one is. Coming to the third one, there is no default user group. So if you want any user group, you can create one, but initially there is no default group. So if I go to my IAM management console, you can see coming to here user groups, we don't have any default groups. If I want to create any one, I can just click create, and we can add the group name and add the users to this and add the relevant policies. So we'll be discussing this in the coming videos. So before that, I just wanted to tell you the definition of these IAM users and groups so that it will be easier for us in the coming videos. So let's go here. And coming to the fourth one, there are quotas for IAM resources. So that is what the fourth one is. So let's go to the next one. So these are the adjustable quotas for IAM resources. You can pause the video and you can check this. Now let's go to the second one, an example. So this is the example. So right now we have a main account, and here we have admin groups where Bob and Susan are admins. So they have created groups called developers and test groups, and they have added the users as well as the resources. So dev 1 and dev 2. So similarly, like the test group contains users as well as resources. So for example, these people will be having only developer related tools access. So for example, let's say the Brad can access app 1, but Kathy cannot access that app 1 because like it's only contains in the developer group, not with the test group. Right, so that is how it will be. For example, let's say there is a person who is coming to your group. So initially we cannot give that him like admin access, right? Initially we'll be giving him, let's say there is a group called learning, and he'll be having that learning access, learning group access, so that he can learn first, and then once it is done, we can give him the other access that he require. So based on that, we can give the users the least privilege. So if for example, if I give him the admin access, he'll be having all the access and he can do whatever he want. So that is not how it works in organizations, right? So that's how the users come into the picture, and this is how it works. So we'll be talking about these groups in coming videos. Coming to this video, I hope you guys have understood the concept of today's video. If you've liked the video, please click the like button below, and if you've not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel, and please share the video. Thanks everyone.